here I am, just walking in my community. It's a beautiful day. This is how I connect with nature, myself, my community. So I thought I had this in the picture earlier, but I'm walking back. I think it's good as a form of exercise to be moving around, especially in Canada where we don't have very long summers. This I'm just going to show briefly is Cedarvale Park. As you can see, someone's cycling right now, but that's the path to Cedarvale Park. I decided needed to be outside, hoping this is going to also help motivate me to get some work done when I get home that I'm really not too interested in doing, but I need to as part of my graduate program I'm in, so I have some serious work I need to get done tonight. So yeah, thought that people would like to partake in the walk I'm taking as I'm heading home. As you can see, there's a lot of beautiful homes in this area. Yeah, a lot of beautiful homes in this area. Nice landscaped yards. This is near where I live. So you can see people outside getting their yards ready in some cases. It's getting close to supper time, so people are coming home from work. Just wanted to share this moment and encourage people to get out, be in nature, whether it's walking, cycling, whatever it is that you like to do outdoors, go for it. It's important for our overall health and wellness not to be sedentary and to be moving around. We're not meant to be sitting down in our sedentary lifestyles, in our offices, our homes. We're meant to be moving in nature. This is how God intended us to live, not just being cooped up in our homes. Kind of important. And more kids, they need to be doing this. They need to be outside. They need to be outside doing things and not sitting indoors just on Facebook and looking at video games and playing with video games. I'm not saying that it can't develop our minds, but how is that teaching kids to have an appreciation for their environment, to socialize, but most importantly, to be taking care of their health? And we're seeing increasing levels of people with obesity, not just for adults, but also in children. So to me, that's a strong indicator that we need to change our lifestyles drastically so that those of us that have children aren't outliving our children. Because that's the path that we're going down here in Canada, and I would say in North America. So anyway, I'm almost home, and I hope everybody has a beautiful day and does what they can to be out in nature and walk around. Bye.